Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how the Encap method can bring your company some serious money. Stay tuned. So let's jump right into talking about how encapsulation can add some significant revenue to your business. The Encap method, using, for example, a Cymix machine or an Orbot Vibe, an oscillating pad machine, these machines are going to run around 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour is what you're generally going to clean with these machines. So what does that break down to? If we're thinking about 2,000 to 3,000 square foot per hour as our range, if we cut that right down the middle, coming in at 2,500 square feet per hour, and that's very easily achieved with either of these machines. At a rate of 2,500 square feet per hour, at 20 cents a square foot, we're looking at $500 an hour of revenue that we're going to yield with this system. Not bad money. So picture now that you can take a machine and very simply generate $500 per hour. That 20 cents a square foot is pretty consistent around the country. In fact, many cleaners are getting quite a bit more than 20 cents a square foot, but we're trying to be conservative. And conservatively speaking, if you were to clean just 12 hours a week at that rate, you can see, simple math, that's $6,000 a week additional revenue. If you were to do that across the year, you're looking at $312,000 worth of additional revenue that you can clean with one machine, one operator. And of course, if you were to have multiple machines or multiple operators, you can see how that could quickly double, quadruple, whatever, however many machines and technicians you want to put into it. But certainly this can bring some significant revenue to your business, and it's something worth considering. If you're not doing commercial carpet cleaning and you're not doing a lot with the encapsulation method, it's certainly something worth looking at because these numbers are very realistic, something that anyone can achieve. And certainly we're here to help you at Excellent Supply to achieve those numbers. That's what we do here. We want to help you max your Encap. That's what we do. So reach out to us if you have questions. Also, if you have questions, you can put it in the comment section below. I'll put links to both of these machines in the comment section below. Also, please, if you would, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, like the idea of making $500 an hour with the Encap method, subscribe to our channel, and again, share your comments. We appreciate it, and look forward to seeing you in our next episode of Encap TV.